Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wahoo Tickr Fit. First, ensure your device is fully charged before its initial use. Next, securely attach the sensor to the armband. Then, place the armband on your forearm, approximately 2 to 3 inches below your elbow. Make sure the sensor is positioned on the top or side of your forearm for optimal performance and comfort during your activities. Now, let's get your Tickr Fit connected. Begin by downloading the Wahoo Fitness app on your smartphone. Once installed, turn on your Tickr Fit by pressing its power button. Open the Wahoo Fitness app and navigate to the Pair New Sensor option. Your Tickr Fit should appear in the list of available devices. Simply select it to complete the pairing process. You can also pair it with other compatible fitness devices. During your workouts, ensure the Tickr Fit is worn snugly on your forearm for the most accurate heart rate readings. Once connected, simply start your activity in your preferred fitness app or device. You can then monitor your heart rate data in real time, helping you stay within your target zones. The Tickr Fit provides an impressive battery life of up to 30 hours on a single charge, supporting many long training sessions. Proper care ensures your Tickr Fit lasts a long time. After each use, rinse the armband with clean water to remove sweat and debris. Allow it to air dry completely before storing it. Always keep your Tickr Fit in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Remember to recharge the device promptly when the battery indicator shows low power, ensuring it is always ready for your next workout session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.